Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have battery and a backup. Code changes are low risk but reversible. Open Settings, then go to System and look for Gestures or Navigation Bar. Labels vary by model. Tap in to see the active mode, Buttons, Gestures, or 3-button layout. Once you find it, note which button is on the left and which is on the right. Make sure you understand the current arrangement so you can change it deliberately without restoring defaults later. Now change the layout. If you're in Gestures, switch to the 3-button layout first, then open Navigation Bar settings. Look for options labeled Swap Buttons, Button Layout, or Layout Order. Manufacturers use slightly different names. Choose the alternative layout to flip back and home positions, then apply the setting. Once done, immediately test by pressing each button to confirm back versus home actions behave as expected. If an app controls navigation, make sure no third-party launcher is overriding system choices. Finish by rebooting the phone. A restart ensures the new mappings take effect across the system. Make sure accessibility settings or any third-party launcher or navigation app are not overriding your choice. Disable them temporarily to test. If the buttons remain reversed, reset navigation settings to default and reapply the desired layout. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after backing up data. If problems persist after that, contact Motorola support. They can help diagnose firmware-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.